Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and you went through the first video of basics of cryptocurrency for investors, and I guess it definitely added a lot of value to your lives and you are interested to watch the upcoming videos. But for today we have something important. We have the Coinbase IPO coming up in some hours. It's 8:15 here in India and it will be live soon in let's say 2 or 3 hours. I guess it will be live, the Coinbase IPO. So we just want to see what is the state of all the cryptocurrencies right now, how's the market going, and to be honest, the market is really going well right now. If we see Doge, let's say Doge, the meme coin thing, loved by Elon Musk, is up like more than 100%. Like this is the price of Doge. If we see somewhere around 2 weeks ago, it's 3.8. Right now, it's 9.9 around, and it went up to 11.5, somewhere around 11.5. So it's like 3 or 4 times the money, right? 3 times. So this is doing very good. And if you see Doge, it's up 56.31% right now at the moment. If we see BTC, it has touched its high, but right now it's going a little low, still on its highs. The problem is right now, I guess that as the Coinbase IPO is coming very soon, the investors are little cautious. They are waiting for the Coinbase IPO to come because only 2 or 3 hours is left for the IPO. Okay, if we see XRP, that's Ripple, it has shown such great results over the past, but today, right now, it's in negative. It's minus 2.21%. Again, I believe this is due to the confusion among the investors, because if we see Ripple for 15 minutes right now, so it went up to 155 or something like that today only at 12 p.m. IST. But after that, it has seen this thing, as you can see, the decreasing number. It has depreciated by around 20% right now. It's at 132 rupees. It went up till 125, somewhere around 125, depreciated 20%. Exactly. So right now it is doing well, not very good, but yeah, I believe that once the Coinbase IPO is live, this will pump. This video is just a short notice that Coinbase IPO is here. You can start investing in crypto right now because the markets may pump. So everyone around the world is waiting for this Coinbase IPO. What is Coinbase? You can search these things easily. What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a like a very big, we can say, American cryptocurrency exchange platform. Coinbase is an exchange platform and it is coming on Nasdaq. What is Nasdaq? It's the American stock market, so it's coming on Nasdaq. And for the first time, anything related to crypto, any exchange platform related to crypto is coming live on stock markets. So this is a big moment for entire crypto universe. So that's why it's like a very big moment, and everything is rising like hell for past 1 week. If we see the data, it's like so good results. If you see for the past 1 week, see it like this. From 44 rupees, XRP went up to 155, right now at 132. Doge, if you see, again has given such great results from 4 to somewhere around 12. It has gone 11 point something. BTC also touched its high, so this is also doing very well. And today it touched its high. So this is this week it touched its high. So it is also doing very good. What we have to do right now, the Indian investors, don't worry. You just have to see what is going on, and just for educational purposes, the advice I feel is that the markets are going to be pumped a lot more. So make sure you invest if you do have any money or you feel that okay, this can go up. This is just for educational purposes. I'm definitely not sure whether the markets will go up or go down. Depends on how is the Coinbase IPO. If that works well, then definitely the markets will pump. And this opportunity, I'm really sorry, I'm giving the video at such a short notice, but this can be a really great thing for all my Indian friends there, all my Indian investors there. You can literally have good results through this IPO. So I guess you'll do it. That's all. I'm really sorry. This is very quick. The IPO is coming very soon. I'm really sorry, but still, you all can crush it. You all can have some good results. So make sure you do it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.